Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to restore default theme on this device. So as you can see right now, we got the custom icons theme on our device. We got the different shape and different colors. So now to change that, just you should go to the settings and tap to the display section. Now just tap to the styles, and here as you can see we got the custom theme, and just to go back to the default theme, tap here. As you can see that the Moto theme, tap here and apply, and as you can see we got the message that the default theme is applied to our device, and as can you see, so that's done. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.